Imagine you're facing a problem where you have an object with key value pairs in a specific format, and you need to convert it to a different format. The key is to transform the structure of the object to meet your desired output. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. By utilizing the provided code snippet, you can efficiently achieve the required transformation. The script takes the initial object, maps each key value pair, and wraps the values in an array as per the desired format. This will effectively restructure the object to the specified layout. Continuing with the solution, the CSS code included ensures that the console output displays correctly. This styling directive guarantees that the console appears appropriately with the desired height and positioning. To wrap up, the solution effectively demonstrates how to convert an object's key value pairs into a new format as required. By following the provided script, you can seamlessly achieve the desired output. Remember, it's all about restructuring the object to match the desired format. And with that, we conclude our explanation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Who knows, maybe your comment will be the next big thing.